If you're using dating apps to connect and create a relationship with someone, it's important to know the difference between the apps and also what it is you're looking for. The different apps are geared towards different types of people. And if you don't have a clear understanding of yourself and the person you want to attract, you could be making a mistake and wasting your time and your energy on the wrong app. If you'd like to learn more, hit me up at elizabeth@daretodatedifferently.com, and I'm more than happy to share with you a video where I go into the different types of apps and what you can find depending on what you're looking to attract. If you want to learn more and if you want to get some free dating tips, get them at daretodatedifferently.com.